Good afternoon. My name is Jasmine. Can you please tell me your full name, please?
My name is Nguyễn, and you can call me Nguyễn if you want.
Okay, Nguyễn. So this is the IELTS speaking test. It will take about 11 to 14 minutes. I'll ask you some questions about yourself, and then you are asked to speak on a topic. And finally, we will discuss on some related topics. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Now, in the first part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about dreams. Do you remember your dream when you wake up?
Oh, well, no, actually, I often remember it about after 5 to 10 minutes after I wake up. And then after I done my morning routine, I often forget 90% of it.
Do you like hearing others' dreams?
Well, actually, no. It sounds kind of boring, and because dreams are personal stories that's going on in that person has, so I wouldn't want to hear about anyone's dream because it's really boring.
Yeah. Have you told others about your dreams?
Yes, I have talked about my dreams with my close friend before, but they all seems kind of uninterested in what I am talking about, so I don't do that anymore.
So do you think that dreams can tell you about your friends and people around you?
Well, in some aspect, yes, because dreams are the result of your daily activities and your thought crammed in one places. And when you are asleep, your dreams are just little fragments of that. So I do think that they project some of it, but not all of it.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you a topic, and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say, and during this time you can make notes. And here is your pencil and paper. You can make notes. Okay. And here is your topic.
Thank you.
Your preparation time starts now. You may start speaking now.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about a clothing item that recently someone have given me. It's actually this jean jacket. I got it for my 18th birthday last year, and this is a present from my best friend. She has been one of my favorite person for 4 years. So the reason why she gave me this jacket is because I've been wanting it for a while, and I actually told her that this was on my Christmas wish list. So I think she caught on to that and decided to buy me. She decided to buy me this jacket as a present. So and yeah, I was really grateful for her intention, and I also been wearing it for a while. I think that this jean jacket is very fashionable, and I can wear it with every outfit. I wear it to school, to go out with my group of friends, and even to work. Yeah. So all in all, I think this is a clothing item that I would cherish to the end of my life, and I will surely buy something, a present that for her as a thanks to this amazing jacket. Yeah. So yeah, I'm very.
Okay, so do you usually buy clothes as a gift for your friend?
Well, yeah, I don't want to brag, but I consider myself a fashionista in my group of friends. So and my love language is gift giving as well. So I will always trying to find a certain clothing item that match my friend personality as a gift for them.
Okay, so we've been talking about part 2 about dreams, and now I'd like to discuss some related questions with you. So do you think that dreams can predict futures?
Oh, ooh. Well, this may sound kind of crazy, but I think they do. In some cases that I have encountered, my dream has really predicted some part in my future. For example, I dreamed that I would receive a package in this day, and about a week later, the same thing happened. So, yeah, I think you need to pay more attention to your dreams if you want to predict your future.
Do you think that some dreams can indicate a person's emotions or mental problems?
This is a pretty deep question because in the past I struggled with many mental issues, and my dreams also reflect some of that part. I had those days when I was unstable and kind of depressed. My dream would mostly be nightmares, and but now I have healed and my mental issue has gotten better. So my dreams now are just regular dreams about my daily life. Yeah.
Yes, so do you think that people should remember all of their dreams?
Well, that would be kind of overwhelming with it. Dreams, in my opinion, are pretty meaningless. So I think you should spare some space in your brain for more important information rather than dreams. Yeah.
Why do you think some people remember their dreams but others don't?
I've never remembered any specific dreams, but I think for those people, those dreams have special meaning, and they some kind of special emotion when they're dreaming that dream. So yeah, I think that's the reason why, but I'm never that kind of person, so I would have to observe them more. Yeah.
Thank you. This is the end of the speaking test. I think that you did a great job. Now I'll give you some comments on the 4 marking criteria. First is the fluency. I think that you have a very good fluency. You speak continuously and you also use a wide range of linking words, and I think it should be an 8. And about your grammar, sometimes you misuse the tenses. Instead of using the past tense, you use a present simple like buy, but it should be bought. So I think that in general you still have a good control of grammar, so I think that you still deserve 8. And about vocabulary, you have a wide range of vocabulary, but sometimes I think that you need few more idiomatic phrases or uncommon words, but I think that you still get an 8. And finally, it's about pronunciation. I think that is an excellent one, and you get about 8 or even more. Okay, so in general, you got 8.0 for speaking.
Thank you.
Yeah.